hatchback limps into the bay after a winter of cheap fuel. Rough idle, hesitation off the line, no codes. I pull a plug and snake a scope past the throttle body. Gummy tan on the injector tips, sticky film on the valve backs. One tank later, with the right chemistry, short-term fuel trims flatten, idle smooths, throttle wakes up. Not magic, just a cleaner that survives the burn and dissolves the junk people can't see. Today, we're cutting through the noise. 5 fuse additives that actually work in 2025. The ones mechanics reach for when a car feels tired but isn't broken. No miracle claims, no 20% MPG overnight, just repeatable results when you match product to problem and follow the label. And stay to the end, because the last section is the part almost everyone skips, and it's where most of the savings live. Number 1, Techron Concentrate Plus. If you've ever heard, use something with PEA, this is what they meant. Techron Concentrate Plus uses polyetheramine, a detergent that survives combustion, reaches hot metal, and breaks up stubborn carbon on injectors, valves, and piston crowns. It doesn't add power. It removes what's stealing it. On neglected cars, you'll notice easier starts, steadier idle, fewer tip-in hiccups, and sometimes a small fuel economy recovery after the next fill. On clean cars, you may feel nothing, and that's still a win because prevention beats repair. The method matters. Pour into a near-empty tank, fill up, drive long enough to get the engine fully hot, and don't overdose. I use Techron when a gas car shows classic deposit symptoms or after a bad fill that left it chuggy at lights. Think of it as the baseline. If this doesn't move the needle, you escalate.
Number 2, BG Platinum 44K. BG 44K is another PEA-heavy formula but tuned for fast action when injectors are coked or the combustion chamber is varnished. Shops like it because it's predictable. Bottle in, fill up, send the customer to drive. What changes? Stumble and hesitation often fade, throttle response returns, and cold starts feel less cranky. It also helps free sticky fuel level sensors that read weird after sulfur contamination. I use 44K when the car's been run hard on low-grade fuel, when maintenance is overdue, or when Techron didn't fully clear the symptoms. Pairing 44K with fresh plugs and an oil change can be a reset after a rough year. Again, it's chemistry, not a tune. You're just letting the engine be itself by removing the gunk it can't burn clean on its own. Number 3, CRC GDI IVD Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner. Direct injection sprays fuel straight into the cylinder. That means the intake valves don't get washed by gasoline anymore. Over time, oil mist and blow-by bake a tar-like film onto valve faces and stems. Result? Rough idle, cold misfires, lazy response, and that "my car feels older than it is" vibe. Tank additives won't reach those valves. CRC's GDI IVD is an aerosol you introduce through the intake with the engine hot and running at a specified RPM. Used exactly as directed, it softens and lifts deposits you can see on a borescope. After service, many cars idle cleaner, start easier, and feel more consistent pulling away from a stop. This isn't a cure-all. When buildup is heavy, you may still need walnut blasting, but it's a real middle step that saves money when you catch the problem early. Read the procedure twice, do it once, and give the car a solid highway drive afterward so the chemistry and heat can finish the job. Number 4. Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Ultra-low sulfur diesel is good for the air but tough on hardware. Desulfurizing strips natural lubricity, and modern high-pressure pumps and injectors hate running dry. The industry test for lubricity is the HFRR wear scar. The lower the number, the better. Base fuel can scrape by on the limit, but many pumps and injectors live longer when lubricity is improved and cetane is bumped for cleaner, quicker lighting off. Hot Shot Secret EDT tackles both. Dose it properly and you help the fuel form a stronger film where metal meets metal, which can reduce wear, quiet the system, and make cold starts less cranky. The S10 bump also helps reduce after-treatment stress by tightening up combustion. I recommend EDT for daily use in regions with inconsistent fuel quality, for platforms known to be sensitive, and ahead of cold snaps. You won't feel a gain the way you feel a cleaning, but you'll notice fewer complaints over time and fewer injector or pump failures that blow up a budget. Number 5. Gumout Regane Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Regane Complete also uses PEA, but I treat it as the keep it clean dose. It targets injectors, ports, valves, and piston tops, and includes corrosion defense that helps with the moisture and acidity issues that ethanol blends can invite. In the real world, that means fewer small drivability gremlins creeping back between major services. I like it after a deep clean. Restore performance with Techron or BG44K, then run Regane on a schedule to slow new deposits from forming, especially if you can't always buy top-tier fuel. Use it at the labeled interval, typically every few thousand miles, and don't stack bottles. The point is consistency, not shock treating every fill.
How to get results like a pro. First, match product to symptom. For general deposit cleanup on gasoline engines, start with Techron. If the car is truly cranky, step up to BG44K. Obvious GDI valve gunk, CRC GDI IVD with the exact procedure, warm engine, correct RPM, proper soak, then a decent highway drive. Diesel longevity and cold manners, a measured daily dose of EDT, especially where fuel quality is a question. Maintenance between heavy cleanings, Regane on a schedule, plus top-tier fuel whenever possible. Second, follow labels exactly. Overdosing won't work faster. It can dilute fuel properties, confuse trims, or in the case of aerosols, pool where you don't want it. More is not better. The procedure is part of the chemistry. Third, expect small, steady gains on healthy cars and bigger changes on neglected ones. A clean, efficient engine won't feel a cleaner because there's little to clean. That's a good outcome. You're buying insurance against buildup, not a dyno sheet. Fourth, drive the car hot after treatment. Most detergents and dispersants do their best work when the engine is fully at temperature and seeing consistent load. Short trips rob you twice. They build deposits and they block the cleanup. Fifth, know when to stop pouring. No additive repairs a broken injector coil, a failing high-pressure pump, low compression, or a cracked hose. Chemistry maintains. Tools and parts fix. In 2025, the fuel additive aisle is still full of big promises. Most of them won't change a thing. These 5 will when you use them for the right jobs. Techron is the dependable PEA baseline that gives back smoothness and response by clearing the usual suspects. BG44K is the escalator for stubborn cases where drivability is slipped and you want a faster turnaround. CRC GDI IVD reaches the parts your fuel can't and can delay or even avoid an intake teardown when buildup is caught early. Hotshot Secret EDT gives modern diesels the lubricity and cetane they were supposed to have, so expensive hardware lives a quieter, longer life. And Gumout Regane is the steady, affordable maintenance dose that keeps things clean between big services, especially if your fuel choices aren't always ideal. None of these are miracles. They just remove what doesn't belong and protect what does, so the engine you already paid for can run like itself again. That's the whole point. Use chemistry where it helps, skip the hype, and keep the car feeling new long after the stickers say it shouldn't.